Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again this week. When?
Tuesday, the 7th of May 2024. Where? On our third visit to Footpath FP9 ROYTON off Tandle Hill Road, Oozewood, Thornham, Oldham. Postcode OL2 5UX. What? Continued improving footpath and removed all timbers off the first deck. Dug the soil out, reversed the top of the timbers before refixing and replaced broken timbers. Replaced missing timbers on the third deck. Fixed waymaker and Ramblers improvement sign on the entrance to the gap stile on Tandle Hill Road side of this footpath. Returning next week to continue works, improve footpath, clear topsoil off waterlogged areas, dig water runway channels, install perforated land drain pipes where needed, and install another new waymarking post. Who? 7 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Keith, Neil, Martin, Bob and George. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Keep on walking.